Hey guys, welcome to MadTech. Today we'll be learning how to share location on WhatsApp from Google Maps, and now let's dive right in. Now to share location on WhatsApp from Google Maps, first open up your Google Maps application on your phone. And after opening Google Maps guys, on this interface, first tap on the GPS icon which is at the bottom right corner of the screen over here, and then your location will be highlighted like this accurately. Now in order to share your location on WhatsApp from over here, tap on your location and this kind of interface will appear where you will be able to share your location by tap on share location, and this kind of interface will appear. So let's do that again. Let's go back, let's tap on our location and let's tap on the share location button at the left side of the screen, and you can see guys the WhatsApp option is available for us over here. If it's not, try swiping it to the right. You can see there are a lot of apps through which you can send your location of your Google Maps over here. And after swiping and choosing WhatsApp, tap on WhatsApp and tap on share. This kind of interface will appear where you will be able to send your location from Google Maps to any WhatsApp contact. Either you can search for them or you can just choose them from over here and send it by tapping on the green arrow icon at the bottom right corner of the screen after choosing them. And with that being done guys, your location will be sent like this. Again, let's tap on the send button and you can see guys the location has been sent off our Google Maps. And another way is to go back again, and over here you can see, let's close this and let's again go to that section where we can share our location, and you can see the copy to clipboard option also available. Again, if it's not over here guys, you can see there will be a lot of options over here. You will be just required to swipe it to find this option. Tap on copy to clipboard and tap on share, and your link will be created of your location in your Google Maps application. And let's wait for the load to finish. And you can see guys it says copy to clipboard over here. Now close Google Maps and open your WhatsApp again. And after opening your WhatsApp guys, let's go back, open the chat box of the person to whom you want to send the location and paste your location over here and send it. By this way guys, you will be able to share your location on WhatsApp from Google Maps. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.